Do you want to liven up your HTML regular text characters? Well, HTML characters will do that for you. So there's a quick way to add some interesting characters to your HTML content. I've got some examples here where I've added a phone, I've added a check mark, I've added a star. So there's a bunch of options. You can see more about it at the w3.org site. And you can pause the video here, add some of those onto your web page. So we're building out a resume, and you can set that up within the top skills and within the section titles. So try it out, and I'll pause the video and I'll walk you through some of the cool codes that are available. This is that site that had all of the different character codes to bring the character codes into your website. So go over to the w3.org, find whatever characters that you want to use. And typically the copyright is used a lot. You'll see check marks used a lot. There's check mark, and then there's just also the character code itself there. So there's a number of ways to bring these characters into your web content. So going over to the HTML, and within the skills section, I'm going to paste in the skills. So that will give me a check mark where the skills are. I'm also going to add in a heading for the social profiles and update this to be a phone. And I've got the two social profiles there. I'm going to remove out the commenting to clean that up. And then we'll do one more within the same type of structure where I'm going to add in education and update this to be a star. Refresh,